Damn it. I missed that level of $4. I was going for $4. I had the order ready, and I was listening to another podcast or whatever, and god damn it. Look we just missed out on 10% because I lost a little focus there. I had 402. Take it off anywhere here. It's 7%. Fuck. God damn it. So now we have to wait for a pullback into 419. This has news of it's drugs. Is it drugs? It's a rare pediatric disease treat. It's for infant heart condition. So you're gonna have people that are like really liking that because the infant part, I bet. Again, now we're setting up into this trap here at 45. If it breaks the 45, like we could try and take it. 45, risking 22. Gotta be quick. It's still good risk to reward, I guess. I don't know if it's a good place to do it, but if you don't try, you'll never win, right? Excuse me. So the order filled. It is seem to be working. I think we should probably chase this up tight. I've got a target here of $5.45, which is pretty deep. If it works, that's a tremendously deep target. Should we jump the stop up? Should we jump the stop up? That's a good question. Is it going to push up for us? Again, why would you let it come all the way back to here where the support is? I think we should cut it off like a lot earlier, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to set stops here so, you know what I mean, if it does break down here at 45, that's pretty much our entry, isn't it? Yeah, exactly, we would break even. We can watch it and see, and we can keep our original stop and check here, but I mean, I would think anywhere and I don't know. This is too tight, right? Like this is what makes the stop so hard. We're actually taking it perfectly on support here. So will this come back and pull support? Potentially. Our volume, let's see what our volume doesn't look the greatest right now. A lot of these guys are quick too. Like, I mean, really quick. They would have already taken that 100 and whatever off. $75 off. Like, they already would have taken it off. But if we can break this level, then we might be cooking pretty good here, right? Yeah, we're gonna break this 465. Go 465. I mean, convincingly 465. We're gonna get up above it and then come back. There we go. That might help. There we go. Now we could probably move our stop up to 39. You know, just to be on the 39. Now we're taking less loss. This is when it could pull back. We should probably have taken profit off there too. We're going to get stopped out here for not taking profit like that. Well, fuck's sakes, you missed the $4, then you chased it, then you didn't take profit, like, because it was like, oh, it's so close, and it happens really fast, and you didn't take profit, so then we ended up getting stopped out. albeit for a small amount, which we should have respected our original stop, because I bet you this might go. It's got a real nice short float, but there it is. Excuse me, a $75 loss, from chasing. There's our shares and our float. And fucking as predicted, we got stopped out early. Fuck. I'm trying to tell you, man, over and over and over again. Pesky profits, man. We gotta keep them. Gotta keep them in your pocket. I'm super pissed that I fucking chasing, fucking chasing it, man. I can't believe I missed that entry because of some sort of fucking thing. These chat rooms and all this other stuff, to be honest with you guys, you can use them to your advantage, but at the same time, they distract you so much, and you follow, you're trying to, you're thinking that they're telling you something, but meanwhile, you're right. I'm right most of the time, so I'm not right all the time. I'm not going to say that I'm right all the time. I'm just trying to say that it freaking sidetracks you, and you lose your focus of what you're actually you're here to do, and you're just watching them do something, and it's like, or you're listening to these, you're reading these chats or typing your chats, and you're wasting your fucking time, man. Just do your job and get it over with. Look at it now. Fuck's sakes. Damn it, it's not what you play, it's how you play. Fuck. And all I had to do was respect my original stop value, and we could have been moving it up now. We're moving it up now to 45. Now we're at a break-even zone. Pesky profits will be getting in the way here, right? So where do we get in? 445. That's exactly right. 445. 445. And now we're going to take, we're going to set a stop up here, maybe at 5% or something, because you don't want it to go. I say we have a target again still at $5.45. That's the first one of maybe 3 more that are slightly above that. But, I'd be more than happy taking this off at 5.45. That was going to be a tremendous trade. God damn it. And now you're chasing. So I wouldn't even, you'd be like, oh, why aren't you buying again right now? That's just not my style, because every time, it's just like most people, they're like, well, how come when I buy, the market knows when I buy it, and it reverses right on me every single time almost, because that's what it does do. It knows that it's going to do that, and it's doing it on purpose. It's just going to want to flush back to the VWAP area almost soon, right? So either you have balls of steel and you're going to hold and you don't have any respect for anything, and then that's just a bag holding mentality. You can't have it. The mentality needs to be take profits. That's how you make it in this industry. You take profits when they come to you. If you hold for everything to be big Grand Slam winners, you'll blow yourself up, man. I'm trying to tell you this. This is the way it goes. You take the profits, and then you take the very small losses. Here's another perfect example of taking profits. We were tempted to hold this. This is SEV, Sono Group, the solar-powered car. We made a video just the other day about it. We were going to hold some overnight. And look where it's at now. This is approximately where we were going to buy it. And look, we pulled all the way back to the exact entry because you didn't want to take it off in the morning here. And look at it. It pulls all the way back to exactly to your entry. You need to take profits when they come to you. And holding this overnight only would have worked when you sell, in the morning to make the fucking profit, man. You have to make the profits. Well, for some reason, and again, I'm not saying those chat rooms are a complete waste of time. I'm saying that you have to, you got to take it with a grain of salt, and you have to just watch it. But this definitely looks like a chat pump. If you look at the volume here, all of a sudden it goes boom, 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 boom. That's like a coordinated attack here at this level. Why? Because it held VWAP at 45. Because it held VWAP at 45. Still doesn't look right to me. Yeah, just remember, we got the 545 target here, which is one of many. You know, and this job is not like it's like, yeah, I learned to become an electrician, and now I'm an electrician, and then that's all there is to it. There's no more anything to learn. This job is a constant evolution of learning, and if you think you've got it all figured out, why don't you just go and show me and make fucking $48 million in a fucking minute or two? Like, go ahead. Like, nobody gives a shit. But if you try to learn and try to evolve with it as it goes, you'll be a more successful trader. You can't just, if you think you've got it all figured out, you're fucking dead wrong. There's another flag in real time. Like I said, these flags, when you draw them, you don't have to be like it. The flag for sure. The levels, the support and resistance levels, those have to be bang on. But these flags, they're just there to show you. And like I've said before, this is how I like to draw my flags. This one is a little bit tall, right? So I would almost want to, I don't know, I would almost say if we can get above, like, say, that level there, see it? That's the better level. See how it touched it twice? See how it touched it twice? So that's, in my opinion, a better level. There's nothing wrong with these levels, right? But, and we're really close to that 545. This thing might work to the, if it had, oh, it was running so funny back there, but yeah, it was just, and then it wicked down and grabbed me. I'm fucking still kind of floored here, because we got stopped out at 439, and the low of that candle was 37, like, yeah, I'm still just a little bit fucking pissed. Another thing to note is, like, I do it all the time. At the moment I think, it's kind of done. That's actually, no. That's right when it's starting to get well warmed up and gonna go fucking bonkers on you. So, yeah, like, you gotta be watching, and it's like at the most boring time is the most opportunist time. It's like, the market makers are trying to take advantage of their competition, because when they slack, then they can jam a bunch of orders down their throat, and then they're like, the other guy is overwhelmed and he's got to deal with it, and it's like a battle here of catching the other guy off guard, almost, if that makes any sense. Because when you're if that makes any sense, that's just the way I look at it. I'm a little bit disappointed. Yeah, that was $45.40. So, you know, if I was still in the trade, would I say that's almost close enough? Yeah, I might. But I mean, there is more targets up there. Sorry, there you go. There's a picture of all the target lines there. The purple lines matter. And there's Kenny's line way up there at the top there, which it's racing down at the same time, so that could end up being, I don't know, somewhere in here more. So, you know, there's other lines above this as well. There's one up there, see, at $8. So, if it hits that 45, which is the first target, I would be more than happy taking profits there. Which it looks like it kind of wants to do it, like, right now. So let's record it while it hits 45. And reverses. This video is pretty long. Well, there's 40 again, eh? Ooh, that's not a very good sign. That's 40 again, 540 again, that's perfect. That's not a great sign. Never mind, there's 45. Well, there you go. There you have it. Like, share, subscribe. God damn it, that would have been a nice little win, eh? You're a dirty little... We'll see what happens now. I'll keep this going a minute longer. That's bad. We're getting long in the video too, so... Well, there I'm wrong. There's second target, third target, and $100 says we're going to get halted right there, because that was a friggin' monster candle. 17% candle. Yeah, and we're halted out here at $6.37. Fuck! Halted. After that push. That was a lot of volume there. So there we've come out of halt, and it's, lo and behold, just gonna piss me right off. That's like 130% on the day, with the pre-market equaling about 40%. So if we had played this right, god damn it, that would have been almost 100%. Hell of a good move. I played it wrong. I played it wrong, man. I played it wrong. I don't know, you can't be perfect, I guess, but I mean, I played it wrong. And is this the beginning of the end? Yeah, the longer this stretches out, the riskier I think it gets. Lots of wicks here too. I'd be kind of getting really. There's that doji candle too. What is, that's a really indecisive candle. Yeah, you can see it right here. That's a really indecisive candle. There it is there, a little bit. I mean, this is how we break it down, right? Yeah, you know what? I was just reviewing the tape, and I'm just trying to figure, like, because these are more for me than they are for you, to be honest with you. I have to, this is still my job that I'm trying to, make the real thing. So I'm reviewing the tape, and I'm like, so where did you make the mistake? And the mistake I think I made was, I didn't, like, it was indecisive at the beginning, so I didn't take the profit off. Just a little bit. Like, I mean, okay, so that's the thing. I should have just, when I had it there, I clicked on it, I had the button. I should have taken off a little bit of the position, maintained our original risk, and then you would have felt the attitude. Your attitude would have changed, right? The timidness, everything would have changed if you had taken some of the profit off, and then let kind of the rest of it ride. Because then look at it. And whatever you want to take off, if you want to take half the position, a quarter position, it's up to you. But I mean, if you can put, I guess it depends on your size too, because if it's not worth it, if you're only putting $5 in your pocket, then it's not even covering the trades. But what I'm saying is, if you can get it to be like a decent enough number, and then it almost offsets your stop out value as well, that would be pretty excellent at the same time on that, right? Like, say you had a $200 stop out and you took maybe like $150 off the trade, and then that left you with a $50 stop out. That's pretty good, actually. That's kind of smart, right? So this is where I think I made the wrong choice, because these ones are the ones that are the most important to be hitting correctly, right? And I'm a firm believer in trading psychology more than anything. So I'm just going to keep reviewing my own tapes and see if I can get this caught on video for one of you guys to maybe learn something from it, right? So, again, you want to like it and you subscribe to it, and I think it's big to share it with other people, because I don't think a lot of people are doing this out there, showing you, like, everybody's talky about it after. Oh, look at, this is where I got in, this is where I did this is what, not during, not in the, like, we're doing this in real time. What time is it? It's 10:38 in a.m., right? So I'm doing this in real time to help, hopefully, to help help you and help me. Well, there's the reversal off of the $8 line. Well, there it is on a one-day chart. Like, subscribe, share. I'm going to do this. I'm going to just keep doing this over and over and over again. I don't know what to say about it. That's a pretty decent pushback from that line. Obviously, my other lines were not right, but still reasonable targets, man. We're talking a lot of percentage here. This was a tremendous trade. Yeah, it's not what you trade, man. It's how you trade it. It's what you, we do this in real time. Like, subscribe, share. Just one last little quick look at the pain and suffering there, and we're just going to make more and more of these videos. Sorry if this one's a little long. Oh, I forgot to give you the high fives. Those are for everyone.